You will get all the papers published last year. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start your literature review using Google Scholar in a very simple and practical way. So this video is especially for students and researchers who feel overwhelmed and don't know how to find the right papers, how to filter quality research, and how to download full text PDFs. So I'll explain in 5 clear steps, starting from searching the right papers to downloading the PDFs. So let's begin. First of all, you need to go to googlescholar.com. So this is where most academic literature searches begin. So now instead of typing every broad term that you have in your mind regarding your topic, always use specific and research focused keyword. For example, instead of typing literature review AI, try artificial intelligence and literature review, so you narrow down your search. So say for example you want to conduct literature review on AI. This is how you should write: artificial intelligence and literature review. So this and function would help you narrow down your research on artificial intelligence and literature review. So just simply search. Now you can clearly see there are plenty of papers, particularly about AI and specifically literature review papers, right? Your goal at this point should be to find the relevant papers, right, regarding your topic. Now, if you are looking for very recent papers, you can use these options to choose since 2022. Then Google Scholar will show you papers only published after the year 2022, right? Now, in the second step, you need to filter the results, keeping in mind the scope of your study. Say, for example, you also want to write a literature review on artificial intelligence, and you want to target only the top journals in your field. So better check the information regarding journal here, that whether this paper is published in one of the top journals in your field. If yes, then you should continue your search regarding this paper, right? So in third step, you would just simply click on the title of the paper. Now it will lead you to the publisher's website where this paper has been published, right? So once you open the abstract of the paper, you need to skim the abstract so quickly that you should know from instant glance that if this paper is relevant to what you want to do. If yes, then you need to just download the PDF. That's gonna be your fourth step, right? So once you have downloaded the PDF of the paper, do not forget to save the file with author's first name and the year of publication, right? Because this will help you to go back to the paper whenever you need, right? So the final step is to copy the citation of the paper. So nowadays you could easily copy the citation from the publisher's website already. For example, the citation for this paper could be copied from here. However, if you want to make it more easier for yourself, you can directly copy the citation from the Google Scholar search engine. This option is right here, right below the title and the author's name and the key takeaway of the paper. You just simply click on cite, and then you will get citation in all different citation styles like MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard. So most widely used citation style is APA. So just copy this and paste it in one of the doc file where you will paste the citation of all the PDF that you're going to download for your paper. Now there is another method to search papers on Google Scholar search engine. So first we have used AND method. The next method is using inverted commas. So whatever is your primary keyword for the paper, you just need to add that into inverted commas and search. And in this way, you will get proper those papers that includes artificial intelligence and literature review. So as you can see here, our range is still selected since 2024, so we will only see papers that are published after 2022. And if you need more recent ones, you could just press since 2025 and you will get all the papers published last year, right? And from here, you can quickly check which journal these papers are published in and what is the author's name, how many citations the papers already had, and if the paper has versions, so all the versions would be visible here, right? After that, one of the most important thing that most of the researchers do not know is you could simply look for related articles from the article you have searched already. Say, for example, you found this article very relevant to your research and you feel like you are surely going to cite this, right? So I would strongly recommend you to search related articles and just simply click on this button and you will get all the articles that are cited in the previous paper. Now, these papers would be pretty much relevant to your research, so you could check here again. If you like some papers from here, just simply follow all the 5 steps and try to make your literature view as better as you can. So in my next video, I will talk about more of such tips so you could conduct your research better. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you guys in the next video.